Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to your Speak English Fluently in 15 Days challenge. This is day 5, and I'm so happy you're here. Today's topic is Talk About Your Family. You'll learn how to introduce your family members in clear, simple English. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe your family naturally and confidently. So, are you ready? Let's speak English together, every day, step by step. Remember, this is a shadowing practice lesson. That means you should listen carefully and repeat after me. With your voice. Don't just listen. Speak aloud with me. Are you ready? Let's begin our warm-up. Take a deep breath. Smile. And let's start speaking English confidently. Let's start with some short and easy sentences about your family. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. This is my family. I live with my family. We are a happy family. I have a small family. I have a big family. I live with my parents. I have one brother. I have 2 sisters. My parents are kind. Good job. Now let's try a few more short sentences, slowly and clearly. My father is a teacher. My mother is very caring. My brother likes football. My sister is a student. We eat dinner together. We watch movies on weekends. I love spending time with my family. Excellent work. You're doing great. Remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. Now your mouth and tongue are warm. Perfect for the next part. In the next section, we'll do shadowing practice with full sentences and real-life examples. Take a short breath, sip some water if you want, and get ready for more speaking practice. Now, it's time for our shadowing practice. In this part, you'll listen to me say natural English sentences about my family. Then, you'll repeat after me, just like an echo. This will help you sound more natural and fluent when you talk about your own family. Are you ready? Let's begin. I live with my parents and my younger sister. My father works in an office. My mother is a homemaker. My sister goes to school. We live in a small house, but it's very comfortable. My family is very important to me. We eat breakfast together every morning. In the evening, we talk about our day. On weekends, we visit our grandparents. My grandparents live in the countryside. You're doing amazing. Keep speaking with me. Now, let's continue with some more natural examples. I have many cousins. We meet during holidays and family events. My uncle is very funny. My aunt loves cooking delicious food. We always celebrate birthdays together. My family supports me in everything I do. I feel happy when I spend time with them. My parents always encourage me to study hard. We sometimes go on short trips together. I love my family very much. Excellent. You just practiced 20 real-life sentences that help you talk about your family easily. Now, we'll move to the natural speed practice. You'll hear the same sentences again, but a little faster and more naturally, just like a native speaker. Try to keep up with me and speak confidently. Fantastic work so far. Now, let's make your English sound natural and fluent. In this part, I'll say the same sentences again, but a little faster and more connected. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to match my rhythm and intonation. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep going. Ready? Let's start our natural speed practice. I live with my parents and my younger sister. My father works in an office. My mother is a homemaker. My sister goes to school. We live in a small house, but it's very comfortable. My family is very important to me. We eat breakfast together every morning. In the evening, we talk about our day. On weekends, we visit our grandparents. My grandparents live in the countryside. I have many cousins. We meet during holidays and family events. My uncle is very funny. My aunt loves cooking delicious food. Well done. That was great energy and rhythm. Speaking English fluently means speaking clearly, confidently, and with flow. And that's exactly what you're doing right now. Take a short breath now. Because next, we'll focus on useful vocabulary and pronunciation tips from today's lesson. Excellent work so far. Now, let's look at some important vocabulary and pronunciation from today's lesson. I'll say each word slowly. You'll listen carefully, repeat after me, and then learn how to use it in a sentence. Ready? Let's begin. Family. Good. Family means your parents, brothers, sisters, the people closest to you. Example: my family is very important to me. Parents, that means your mother and father. Example: my parents are very kind. Siblings, this word means brothers and sisters. Example: I have 2 siblings, one brother and one sister. Grandparents, that means your parents' parents. Example: my grandparents live in the countryside. Cousins, cousins are the children of your uncle or aunt. Example: I love playing with my cousins. Support, to support means to help or encourage someone. Example: my family always supports me. Together, it means with each other or in the same place. Example: we eat dinner together every night. Caring, it means kind and helpful toward others. Example: my mother is very caring. Excellent job. You've learned new words and practiced how to pronounce and use them in sentences. Repeat these words every day to make them a part of your natural speech. Wow, you did an amazing job today. Now, let's wrap up with motivation and your next step in this 15-day challenge. You just finished day 5 of our Speak English Fluently in 15 Days challenge. Today, you learned how to talk about your family. You practiced new sentences, emotions, and pronunciation. That's a big step towards speaking English naturally and confidently. Remember, the key to fluency is daily practice. Don't just watch this video once, repeat it every day this week. Each time you repeat, your English will sound smoother and more natural. You can also record your voice while shadowing to hear your progress. It might feel strange at first, but it really helps you improve fast. So, keep speaking, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. Tomorrow, in day 6, we'll learn how to talk about shopping at the market. You'll learn how to say what time you wake up, go to work, study, and relax. All in clear, fluent English. So don't miss it. Join me again tomorrow for more English shadowing practice. Remember, speak slowly today. Speak confidently tomorrow. You're doing something amazing for yourself. Every word you speak brings you closer to fluency. I'm proud of you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.